You can study the latest LPIC-1 exam 101 to 500 dumps for your LPIC-1 certification. Passcert provides real 101 to 500 questions and answers that you can practice multiple times in order to help you pass your LO1 500 exam successfully. You also can find the latest 102 to 500 dumps to get your LPIC-1 certification. Question 1. Which of the following commands lists the dependencies of the RPM package file foo.rpm? A.rpm, qprfoo.rpm, B.rpm, depfoo, C.rpm, ldfoo.rpm, D.rpm, rfoo.rpm, E.rpm, pdfoo. Answer: A. Question 2. Which command uninstalls a package but keeps its configuration files in case the package is reinstalled? A. dpkg, spkg name. B. dpkg, lpkg name. C. dpkg, ppkg name. D. dpkg, vpkg name. E. dpkg, rpkg name. Answer: E. Question 3. Which of the following apt-get subcommands installs the newest versions of all currently installed packages? A. Auto update. B. Disk upgrade. C. Full upgrade. D. Install. E. Update. Answer: E. Question 4. Which command is used to query information about the available packages on a Debian system? A.apt cache, B.apt get, C.apt search, D. dpkg, E. dpkg search. Answer: A. Question 5. What information can the lspci command display about the system hardware? Choose 3 correct answers. A. Device IRQ settings. B. PCI bus speed. C. System battery type. D. Device vendor identification. E. Ethernet MAC address. Answer: A, B, D. Question 6. What can the Logical Volume Manager, LVM, be used for? Choose 3 correct answers. A. To create RAID 9 arrays. B. To dynamically change the size of logical volumes. C. To encrypt logical volumes. D. To create snapshots. E. To dynamically create or delete logical volumes. Answer: B, D, E. Question 7. After moving data to a new file system, how can the former path of the data be kept intact in order to avoid reconfiguration of existing applications? Choose 2 correct answers. A. By creating an ACL redirection from the old to the new path of the data. B. By creating a hard link from the old to the new path of the data. C. By creating a symbolic link from the old to the new path of the data. D. By running the command touch on the old path. E. by mounting the new file system on the original path of the data. Answer: C, E. Question 8. What is the purpose of the file system hierarchy standard? A. It is a security model used to ensure files are organized according to their permissions and accessibility. B. It provides unified tools to create, maintain and manage multiple file systems in a common way. C. It defines a common internal structure of inodes for all compliant file systems. D. It is a distribution-neutral description of locations of files and directories. Answer: D. Question 9. Which of the following commands are common Linux commands for file management? Choose 3 correct answers. A. Copy. B. MV. C. Move. D. CP. E. MKDIR. Answer: B, D, E. Question 10. Which of the following are file systems which can be used on Linux root partitions? Choose 2. A. NTFS. B. Ext3. C. XFS. D. VFAT. E. Swap. Answer: B, E.